Hello, welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video I am going to teach you how to make a video call on Instagram on laptop. This guy is very easy and very simple method to make a video call on Instagram on laptop. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. First open a Instagram web or application and who call it, which person you have to call, just go it, and in top you can see the option make a video call. You can see the camera option is given, just click on it. Here you can see the Instagram is opening. I am using web. You can see that this type of interface you can see in your laptop. You have not given a permission to camera or microphone, so you have to give a permission. Here you can see allow prompt to using your camera and microphone so other can see her you. Just open settings, just click on it, and here you have give the permission by using the this on off switch. Just give permission, then click on this start call, and you have to start your video call. This is very easy and very simple method to make a video call in laptop, in Instagram on laptop. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Please visit again guys.